March 17, 2026. The RBA raised interest rates to 4.10%. Here's exactly what that means for a typical Australian household using my spreadsheet. Take a $500,000 mortgage. This 25 basis point hike adds $104 a month to repayments. That's $1,248 a year, gone from the family budget. But the mortgage is only half the story. Groceries are up 10%. Petrol has jumped 30% to $2.30 a liter. Electricity is up 32% after rebates ended. Insurance premiums went up 4.4% in April. To cope, this family has cut discretionary spending by 15%, less eating out, fewer holidays, no new clothes. Before the rate rise, this family had $880 left at the end of each month. After, just $488. That's a $392 monthly hit, $4,704 a year they can't save, can't spend, can't fall back on. Renters aren't immune. Landlords pass on about 70% of higher mortgage costs through rent hikes. That adds another $73 a month, pushing median weekly rent to $650. That's how rate rises fight inflation, by squeezing household budgets until spending drops. Subscribe for more real-world economics.